All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Kaspa community. Shout out to you guys. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Kas, see what's happening, and of course what we could be expecting. I'm sure the Kaspa community is finally feeling some sort of relief after what we have been obviously seeing for the broader market. Kaspa up 15.1% on the daily time frame. The broader market is up, and I'm sure a lot of people are excited. But let's take a closer look, really understand where we are right now, and of course what we could be expecting. So Kaspa's price almost approaching 10 cents, of course, up 13% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap almost at $2.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 60 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm sure at this point, if you watch some of my other updates, you guys know what's happening. But if not, if you only watch a Kaspa update, we have seen over the last few hours the dominance really plummet quite sharply, which of course is an amazing sign for altcoins, especially when Bitcoin also starts seeing a positive moves towards the ups. And if you're looking at Bitcoin here, guys, Bitcoin made its move up to 98,000 a few times, two different times today. And right now, you can see Bitcoin is breaking out as of recording this update. But I've said this 100 times on my channel, how important this exact resistance is, and we want to stay above that range. If it's able to do that, I really do believe we're in for a massive reversal, potentially up to 102k. And of course, the 102k needs to hold. If that's able to break out, 107k Bitcoin is probably a realistic thing to be looking out for. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa. It's making quite some big moves right now. And again, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind, that a lot of people will forget. Of course, everything was impacted on February 3rd. We saw a wick down to 7.5 cents. Well, what's really important to note for Kaspa is, Kaspa pretty much almost got close to filling, this wick. We actually made it down to 8 cents. We were very, very close. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we were only about a 6.43% move towards the downside, to fill this wick. So, you can really see we were seeing significant amount of bearish price action for Kaspa. Right now, Kaspa's price really reacted in a very positive way, to this Bitcoin move. If you want to put this into perspective, if you picked it up just a day or two ago, you're up 23.1% for Kas. And right now, exactly right now, as of recording this update, we're coming across some major key resistance. If this key resistance is able to break out, I think Kaspa could make its way up to 11.2 cents quite fast. So that would be a great sign, in my opinion. That's, if you are a Kaspa holder, you want to see that really becoming next price point target. So if you want to put this into perspective, like I said, about a 12% move towards the upside. But the way things are going right now, if this resistance is able to break out, the one that I highlighted for you guys, I am very confident, as long as Bitcoin does not see a fake out, I think Kaspa could make its way up to this key resistance. Of course, we got rejected by that range a few days ago after this massive bloodbath. But this time around, you want to see us reclaim back above this key resistance. This would be an amazing, amazing sign. So you want to see something similar like this happening, and then obviously pushing up to the likes of that 13.2 cents key resistance. So are we about to see a massive reversal? Obviously we did reclaim the 10 cents price point, psychological price point, of course, but we still need more confirmations in order for us to get excited, because dominance is just still too high for us to be getting excited. And Bitcoin has shown us a lot of volatility over the last few days. So obviously, these are some things that we cannot forget to factor in when analyzing the price of Kas or anything else. But of course, a nice bounce right now. You want to see this resistance breaking out, especially the one on the hourly time frame that I showed you guys. If it's able to break out, I am confident that Kaspa breaks it back up to that 11.2 cents quite fast. But with that said, obviously keep your eyes glued on Bitcoin and the dominance. And of course, if you want to see more of these updates, let me know in the comments down below. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and we'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.